So we did this pilot program, and what were the benefits that we saw from it? We saw that the students were doing math. They weren't just listening to me lecture about it, they were doing it in class, and if they didn't get a concept, I was there or the instructional assistant was there to help them. So it was very, very beneficial. We found that they had to get it. You know that math, it builds on itself. If you don't get a skill, if you're absent that day during a lecture, especially if you're doing 8-week classes and you're in there for 2.5 hours and you miss a day or two, you're so far behind that many kids just give up. Well, this ensures that they have to comprehend what they're doing before they can go on. So that makes sure that they get the underlying skills. They don't have to learn things that they already know. They just get through that fast and they can concentrate on the things that they don't know. There are due dates associated with each of the homeworks, and they're put there so that they can finish the course on time. So we do expect them, we don't always get what we expect, but we do expect them to keep up with the minimum dates on there. But we strongly encourage them to go as far ahead and as fast as they can. A lot of people need the styles of learning. They need to hear things more than once. They need to see them. So the lectures are in video format. They're quick, and they can go back and refer to something or look at the ebook. When you do a homework problem, it tells you, good job, excellent, way to go. You know, it just really gives you that strong feedback, and it makes them feel good. And if they miss it, it lets them down easy, type of thing. A lot of the students feel stressed when they're taking the test because they think you're either going to pass it or you fail it, and that's the only chance you can get. But the way we set it up is that they have 3 attempts at taking the test, the chapter post-test, to get a 70% or above. Now remember, they've already taken the practice test. And if they made a 70% above on that, then they will make a 70% or above the first time they take the post-test. But I have some students who just didn't do it, and they go back and do a study plan. The study plan is created by the software based on only those things that you missed on the test, and they're extra homework questions. Also, what they have in the study plan is an icon that you can click on that says, show me how to solve this, and it will take them through visually, step by step, on how to solve the problem. We could have put that in the main course. We chose not to because information that we got from other campuses who implemented this said the students were relying too much on the show me how to solve this versus learning how to do the problem. Okay, they can keep improving their grade if they're not happy. It's funny how students fall into different categories. I have some that a B is not good enough. I want to take that test and get it till I get an A. And I've got a lot of others who say, ooh, I made a 70, I'm done, I don't care. You know? So if they want to improve the grade in homework, on quizzes, on a test, the opportunity is there. And our book that we chose for the 65 and 120 classes, the basic and intermediate algebra, is expensive. It's like $200 and upwards dollars. That book comes as an ebook with the access code.